I'm taking you now directly to the Parliament because Speaker Om Birla's meeting with the floor leaders of the parties. This is over the debate on Constitution in the Lok Sabha on 13th and 14th December. The Trinamool Congress wants to speak on the Bangladesh crisis. Samajwadi Party will be speaking on the Sambhal crisis. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla met with leaders of various political parties. Remember, there was an all-party meeting that was expected. Representation as a delegation from all, requesting all the members to let the House work smoothly, is what the Lok Sabha Speaker has said. All the political party representatives, look at that, that's the meeting visual that we have. So representations each from the parties, what do they want to speak on and what do they want to really be protesting on right now, because of that chaos and crisis, there are adjournments taking place. These are the latest visuals, it appears, from the same thing, yes.
10 मिनट के अंदर, ऐसा नहीं कि 1 घंटा 2 घंटा पहले 1 घंटे 2 घंटे नारेबाजी हुआ करती थी, हम मुद्दे उठाते थे, हम वेल में जाते, हम अपने सीट पर बैठे हुए हैं आराम से, हम कुछ शोर शराफा नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ नाराबाजी नहीं हो रहा है, और बस आते हैं और ये स्थगित किया जाता है। ये सरकार नहीं चाहती है ना, तो ये सरकार की जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि वो सदन चलाने की जिम्मेदारी सरकार की होती है। हम देख रहे हैं इस सत्र में, क्योंकि अडानी के मुद्दे पर चर्चा नहीं चाहती, मणिपुर के मुद्दे पर चर्चा नहीं चाहती, अजमेर और शंबल के मुद्दे पर चर्चा नहीं चाहती, इसीलिए पूरे तरीके से कोशिश की जा रही है कि सदन।
India Today's Piyush Mishra is tracking all the latest on that. Piyush, so that meeting has happened. I can see Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju with the representatives in opposition. But what has been decided? Has there been a key takeaway from it? Piyush, if you can hear me, what unfolded in the meeting with Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla? And we can see the representatives from all the parties, from the ruling party and the opposition as well. Piyush, go ahead. Right, we'll go across to Piyush in just a short while. Opposition leaders, clearly remember, had been charging at government of the centre, saying there has been a silence on a lot of issues. They want to debate, while the government says opposition's chaos and such kind of protests and sloganeering is leading to adjournment. So let's listen in again, once again, to what Jairam Ramesh has to say from the Congress party, a senior leader and the Member of Parliament.
और आज 5वां दिन है, स्थगित हो रहा है 10 मिनट के अंदर। ऐसा नहीं कि 1 घंटा 2 घंटा पहले 1 घंटे 2 घंटे नारेबाजी हुआ करती थी, हम मुद्दे उठाते थे, हम वेल में जाते, हम अपने सीट पर बैठे हुए हैं आराम से, हम कुछ शोर शराफा नहीं हो रहा है, कुछ नाराबाजी नहीं हो रहा है, और बस आते हैं और ये स्थगित किया जाता है। ये सरकार नहीं चाहती है ना, तो ये सरकार की जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि वो सदन चलाने की जिम्मेदारी सरकार की होती है। हम देख रहे हैं इस सत्र में, क्योंकि अडानी के मुद्दे पर चर्चा नहीं चाहती, मणिपुर के मुद्दे पर चर्चा नहीं चाहती, अजमेर और शंबल के मुद्दे पर चर्चा नहीं चाहती, इसीलिए पूरे तरीके से कोशिश की जा रही है कि सदन न चले।
Piyush, if you can hear me, go ahead. What happened in the key meeting with the Lok Sabha Speaker, and can we expect some functioning this week at least, Piyush?
Well, that's what has been assured by Lok Sabha Speaker also, Pooja. Remember that a crucial meeting was called in by Lok Sabha Speaker, in which floor leaders of all political parties were present, where the discussion on Parliament Lokjam took place. The opposition had demanded a discussion on Constitution Day, and what we have now been told by the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju is that the discussion on Constitution Day in Lok Sabha will take place on 13th and 14th, and in Rajya Sabha on 16th and 17th. So discussion this time will take place on Saturday also. 14th is Saturday, and the government has decided to run the House on Saturday also, because the government is of the view of running the Parliament smoothly. So from tomorrow onwards, we can expect the Parliament to function smoothly. There are various issues which the opposition political parties have been raising, including Sambhal issue, Delhi's law and order issue, also the Adani issue which the Congress party has been raising. Manipur is also one of the important issues which opposition has been raising. So we can expect from tomorrow onwards Parliament to function smoothly. Lok Jam has now come to an end. This is what the government is also saying. Kiren Rijiju, after meeting, has also spoken to media where he has confirmed that from tomorrow, the smooth functioning of Parliament can be expected, and mutual consensus has been built in the meeting which was called in by Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla. Now we'll have to wait and watch how the Parliament functions from tomorrow onwards. But one thing which the government has confirmed is that the discussion on Constitution Day will take place on 13th and 14th in Lok Sabha and on 16th and 17th in Rajya Sabha. Pooja.
So, just tell us more about how the past 5 days have been, the past week and this morning itself. There was again an adjournment, and what has led both the India Bloc and the government to say we need to sit and discuss and ensure this does not happen for the remaining winter session as well.
Well, absolutely. We have seen how Lok Jam was there in Parliament every day. Whenever Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha resumed, the opposition political parties have raised various issues, including the Adani issue, law and order of Delhi, Manipur issue. Various issues have been raised by various opposition political parties, and that is why, because of continuous ruckus, Parliament could not function for the last 5 days, and that is why finally we saw how Lok Sabha Speaker had to intervene, and he called for a meeting of leaders of all the political parties, and in that meeting, discussion has taken place.
The representations have happened. I want to quickly reiterate about the kind of the delegation that's there and the representation. Of course, you see Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju. There is Lavi Sri Krishna Devareli from YSRCP, the Gaurav Gogoi Congress Party, T.R. Balu, Dravidam Munnetra Karagam, Supriya Sule, NCP, Dharmendra Yadav, Samajwadi Party, and other leaders as well, including from CPM, TMC, RJD, JDU. Let's listen into more reactions that have come.
सुचारू रूप से चलाइए, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं महसूस ऐसा हो रहा है सत्ता पक्ष के लोग ही सदन को नहीं चलाना चाहते थे, क्योंकि जिस तरीके के गतिरोध दूर करने का आज प्रयास हुआ, ये पहले दिन हो जाता।
कल से हम उम्मीद कर सकते हैं
सदन के 5-6 दिन बच जाते।
कल से उम्मीद कर सकते हैं गतिरोध खत्म होगा और चर्चा होगी।
हाँ, बिल्कुल, चर्चा हो तो गतिरोध खत्म होगा।
आज लोग स्पीकर
चर्चा पहले होगी, गतिरोध भी साथ में इसके खत्म होगा।
आज स्पीकर साहब ने कोई आश्वासन दिया आपको?
हाँ, उम्मीद है कि कल चर्चा होगी।
कल चर्चा होगी, गतिरोध खत्म हो जाएगा, उम्मीद है। एक सवाल ये कि अडानी के मुद्दे को लेकर कांग्रेस पार्टी काफी हावी, आपको लगता है कि चर्चा इस पे ज्यादा जरूरी है कि संभल पे ज्यादा जरूरी है?
देखिए, हम लोग संभल पे सबसे महत्वपूर्ण है, वहाँ लोग सताए जा रहे हैं, अन्याय हो रहा है। 2700 से ज्यादा लोगों के खिलाफ मुकदमे हैं, 5 लोगों की जान गई है। आज भी वहाँ लोग डरे हुए हैं, सहमे हुए हैं। सरकार और वहाँ के प्रशासन के लोग लगातार एक भय और आतंक का माहौल बनाए हुए हैं। तो चर्चा जरूरी संभल की ज़्यादा है, जिस पर समाजवादी पार्टी शुरू से कायम है। और चूंकि अब किसानों के भी आंदोलन चालू है, किसान भी हमारी प्राथमिकता में है और इस पर भी चर्चा हम लोग जरूर चाहेंगे।
Right, so that's the big meeting that has taken place. But remember, meetings have happened over the past few days as well, whether it's specific to India Bloc or now with the Lok Sabha Speaker. But can we expect our netas, irrespective of their ideologies, to have discussions and debates? That's what the Parliament has been known for. And to ensure that work is also done, bills are cleared, and public welfare is the priority. We're expecting a constitution debate in the Lok Sabha on the 13th and 14th December. Trinamool Congress wants to speak on the Bangladesh crisis. That's clearly become a huge political showdown. Samajwadi Party intends to speak on the Sambhal crisis to charge at government at the centre over the firing and the deaths. But with Speaker opposition meeting, at least can we expect a Parliament logjam to come to an end? All right, so this Monday, remember, it started with the session that reconvened. It resumed. However, there was by 11 a.m. adjournment till about 12. Even when the session reconvened, you could see the commotion, sloganeering specifically from the opposition leaders.